Okay, so this is the first spelling video that I'm going to make this year. So woohoo! This like kind of makes me a YouTube sensation, maybe. All right, so right now you're staring at this blank dry erase board, which is a little bit boring. So we are going to put some stuff on our dry erase board. So you should have out your dry erase board and your marker whenever we do these videos. So there are some of us that I feel like after I read your journals that we kind of need to go back and keep practicing doing the sound spelling practice like we used to do as a class early in the year. But because of some of the other reading groups and other things going on, it's hard to fit it in. So I'm going to kind of use these videos to teach them to you instead of me teaching them to you like in front of the class. So what I want you to do today is we are going to practice doing blends that have 3 letters. So early in the year, we did blends that had 2 letters like BL, like maybe if I wanted to write blag, which again, it's not a real word, but we did pretend words. And we did things like SL, if you remember. We just did a lot of those, like slug, and ST for like stop. So if you remember early in the year, we did a lot of those that just had 2 letters. Those are 2-letter blends. What we are going to start doing next is blends that have 3 letters. The ones that we are going to focus on are, first, we're going to do SCR, which if you put it together, skr. We're going to do spur, so SPR. And we're going to do STR. Okay, and then after this one, we will get into SPL, SPL, and SQI, which says squa. Okay, so underneath the blends, what we're going to write each time is we're going to still put the arc under it because they kind of smush together, just like when we used to do the 2-letter blends. But then I'm also going to put this arrow going this way to show that they have to go all together like this. So scr. I want you to see if you can write scrap in this row. Scrap. And I'm going to give you a second to write it. Okay, so now let's try it. Scr. Ah, there's a short A. App. Scrap. Should be like this. And don't forget your A is saying scrap. So he's short. Okay, let's try an SPR. Let's try sprit. And that's not a real word, boys and girls. We're going to do it anyway. Sprit. Try it. Okay, let's see how you did. Spr. That's an I. T. Sprit. Okay, the I is saying short. Okay, and finally, let's do one with STR. Let's do strap. Take a second and try strap, like a strap on your backpack. Okay, strap should look like this. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got strap. Correct. He's short. Strap. Okay, I'm just going to do 3 more again, but this time I'm not going to tell you which blend they have because I want to see if you can figure them out. And again, do like I did the first time. I'm going to pause after each one to give you, because what I want you to do is I don't want you to watch the video and just copy what I do. I want you to, when I do the pause in between, and you can even pause your video if you need even more time than I give you, I want you to try it on your own first, then watch and see how to check it on the video. Okay, and if you made a mistake, then just go back and fix it. Like, no one's going to know. I won't even know. And in fact, as we all know, I don't care if you make a mistake as long as you go back and you fix it. I do care if you don't try it first. Just try it first. Don't just wait for me to show you on the video. Okay, let's try sprig. See if you can figure out where sprig would go. And put it in the right spot. Sprig. Okay, sprig would go here. Woo, good job if you got that right. Okay, sprig. Okay, here we go. He's short. Sprig. Sprig is actually a real word. Sprig means like a small piece of something. Like if you pull a teensy weensy branch or with like a couple leaves off of a tree, that's called a little sprig off of the tree. Like not a giant branch, not a whole big stick, a little teeny piece of a bush. It's called a sprig of the bush. It's a real word. Okay. Let's try strip. Strip. Like you need a strip of fabric to make something. See if you can figure out where it goes and spell it. Strip. Okay, strip should go here. Strip. Strip. Or you need a strip of paper. Remember, these go together. Strip. Okay? All right, and let's try one more. Let's try, one second, I can't ever think of them right on the spot. Scrug. Not a real word at all. Scrug. Scrug. Okay, that one should go right here. Scrug. Scrug. Okay. All right, see you next time. Good job.